Good evening, students. Today I am going to teach you the dietary fibers and water. These are the essential components for our food, for our body. Now please pay attention towards this, what I am going to tell you. What is actually dietary fibers? The roughage is the dietary fibers. The fiber indigestible material. It is the dietary fibers is the roughage, and it is indigestible material which is present in our food, and that is called roughage. जो fibrous food हम खाते हैं, unpeeled apple, dalia, these are the fibrous. The fibrous food what we eat, it is present in the food. They are indigestible material. We cannot digest it, but it helps to avoid the constipations. See what you have written. The roughage is the dietary fibers and indigestible material present in our food is called roughage. It do not provide energy like carbohydrate and fats, which provide energy like carbohydrates and fats. It is also not providing you, do not build our body like proteins. So, protein helps to build our body. Fats and carbohydrates gives the energy to our body, but it is not like that. In spite of that, it is a very essential component of the food. इसके अलावा ये ऐसा न करने के बावजूद भी डाइटरी फाइबर रफेज एक मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट है हमारे फूड के लिए. The roughage adds bulk of the food, helps in the get rid of undigested and prevents constipation. रफेज जब तुम काफी अधिक खा लेते हो, ये जो फूड तुम्हारा बॉडी डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाता है, उसको उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉर्ट आउट करने में रफेज ही काम आता है. तुम दिन में बहुत तरह की चीजें खाते हो और ये सारे चीज रफेज ही हमें मदद करती है डाइजेशन में. अदरवाइज लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर. ठीक है. सो द रफेज एड्स बल्क टू द फूड, helps to get rid of undigested food, prevents constipation. Roughage absorbs the water and retains the water in our body. The role of roughage is to absorb the water and retain the water in our body. Absorbs and retain the water in our body. The main source of roughage is salad. तुम्हें डेली सलाद खाओ, सलाद, वेजिटेबल, फ्रूट्स, कॉर्न्स, मकई है, अनपील्ड एप्पल एंड दलिया, अनपील्ड एप्पल, कॉर्न, सलाद, fruit and vegetables. These are the roughage items. We must have the one of the food on all the time. Right? Okay. Now children, we have taught you the roughage. What is the role of function of roughage? What is the function of roughage? My question is question number 1. What is function of roughage? What is the function of roughage? What is the difference What is the difference between roughage and fats? Now, what is ORS? Okay, children. Now I told you what is the roughage. phase helps to absorb and retain the water in our body. The main rough phases are maize, unpeeled apple, green vegetables, dahlias, etc. Now, today I will teach you what the next point is water. Human body, you know how much water your body carries? तुम्हारे बॉडी में कितना वाटर है इसके बारे में तुम्हें मालूम है? नहीं. हम 70% हमारी बॉडी में वाटर, मेरी टोटल वेट का 70% of my weight is water. That's why we must maintain the water level in our body. We must consume more water, 3 to 4 liters a day. Now, children, human body contains 70% of water by weight. It helps to perform vital functions are as. What are the function of water in our body? What question है? What are the function of water in our body? What is the function of water in the body? तुम्हारे शरीर में पानी का रोल क्या है? What are the function? Now, what is the role of water in our body? Now, children, it contains 70% of the water. Pahla role, it transports nutrients in our body. What water does is it transports the nutrient in every part of our body. Second point, it regulates the temperature. हमारे बॉडी का टेम्परेचर रेगुलेट करता है. What does it? Who does the temperature regulation? It is done by the water. Third, it helps to absorb the nutrient from the food. Who helps to absorb the nutrients from the food? Water helps to absorb the nutrients from the food. It regulates the temperature of the body. इससे पहले वाटर क्या करता है? It helps to transport the nutrient in different part of the body. Now, fourth point, it acts as a medium where most of the chemical reaction takes places in our body. You know that in our body, lot of the chemical reaction takes places, digestion, acid secretion. So, it helps to maintain the different types of reactions in our body. It acts as a medium. We need 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Excessive loss of water from the tissue of the body is called dehydration. Excessive loss of water from the tissue of the body is called dehydration. हमारे बॉडी से जितना वाटर लॉस होगा हम उसे क्या बोलेंगे? Dehydration. To avoid the dehydration, what you know, we go for ORS. ORS हम लेते हैं, बच्चे को ORS देते हैं सभी को. When you are undergoing dehydration, you need what? ORS. What is ORS? The excessive loss of water from the body. The excessive loss of water from the body is called dehydration. What is OR? Dehydration solution. ORS is the oral dehydration solution. ORS, oral dehydration solution. So, when we go dehydration, oral rehydration solution. ORS, oral rehydration solution. Okay? To avoid the dehydration, उसका उल्टा rehydration. Dehydration is a loss of water. Rehydration is the addition of water. Okay? Thank you. We will meet in the next class, but by the time you do all 4 questions. Thank you.